Yay! Do you want a cookie? You want a cookie? Okay, Trevor's first. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to balance the camera and it's not your turn, it's Wesley's. Hey, it's Wesley's turn. Trevor, it's Wesley's turn. That's not nice. You gotta let Wesley have a turn. Okay. That just rolled off Wesley's head. Wesley, you want your treat?